Hey guys, how are you? It's Kelly, the embroidery nurse. Oh my goodness. It feels like it has been forever since I have been here on YouTube. And it really has. At least 2 months. At least 2 months. I've been busy. How about you guys? I hope you are having fun in your embroidery ventures. But I'm back. Here I am. So I have fun, exciting goals, and I need your help. What do you want to see video-wise? What projects have you been working on where you're like, I don't know how to do this? Or projects where you're like, I'm never going to do that because it looks crazy. What are those projects? I want to do them with you. I want to do them for you. I am super excited. Maybe it's not even an embroidery project. Maybe it's a question about Etsy, or maybe it's just a simple question of how to start an embroidery, what materials, what machine, things like that. Everything do you possibly have questions about? I would love to start planning out my videos on things that are interesting and helpful for you guys, right? It's not just about what I think is the coolest thing out there. But that's some of my videos, of course, are that. But really, it's what are you looking for? What do you need? What do you need help with? That's what I'm here for. So I'm starting to plan out videos in the next coming months. I'm super excited about kind of jumping back in and just seeing where you're at and meeting you at that space. Are you brand new? Did you just start? Have you not even taken that leap to start? You're still kind of lurking in the background. Or have you been doing this for 50 years? I mean, we really do have such a range in our niche of embroidery. So I can't wait to meet you where you're at, and I can't wait to help you along the way. You guys have continually helped me along the way, learn new things. It's funny, I'll post a video and then I'll get messages, hey Kelly, have you tried this? Or I'll ask a question and I'll have 50 people answer things that I can do differently, or things that I could do, just a new fun technique to use. So I have definitely still been, even though I have been absent from, embroidery and my machines running as much as they had in the past, my Etsy shop has been on vacation mode for the last month and a half while I was away at camp. I don't know if you guys have been around for a while. I am a nurse at a summer camp, and it is just an amazing experience that I get to do with my boys. And I was there for 5 weeks, but I'm home now. So I'm back. But I have definitely been doing so much in the world of blanks. We have a Blanks for Embroidery Facebook page. And now, you guys, there's a Blanks for Embroidery app. Look at this. How cool is that? So it's a place you can go shop for the blanks that I have. I mean, let me just show you real quick. Let me take this off the stand. So I'm just going to show you like a quick, oh, should I? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't show you this, but oh my goodness. Look at all these blanks. There is so much in here. Yes, this is organizing 105. I've obviously failed the first 4 courses, 101 through 104, and we are on 105. We've got minky blankets. We've got all this fun gingham, heart backpacks, cosmetic bags. We've got waffle towels. We've got, of course, seersucker, all of that seersucker. We've got cosmetic bags. We've got fabric. We've got gingham. We've got cool beach bags. We already did the minky. Oh my gosh, these are amazing right here, these new bags. We've got bibs. We've got Halloween. And we also have, where am I? We also have a pre-order open for Christmas right now. So come join us. I'll put the link in the comments. But really what I want to know in the comments from you guys is, what are you looking for? What kind of videos are you excited about? What kind of questions do you have? Let me know, and I'm going to start planning. See you guys soon. Happy stitching.